Hi, my name is Syndia and I've got an oil pastel haul for you. I bought some of this stuff on Amazon, some in art supply stores, but I've gathered them because they all relate to oil pastel and I thought it would be nice to share what I got. First up, I got a sketchbook. It's a 5.5 by 11, so it's a small size, but it's a good travel size for quick studies on the go. The brand is Fabriano. It's not very thick, it's 60 pounds, but it's 80 sheets. I could lay it flat because of the spiral here, and it has a hardcover. It's pretty, it wasn't super expensive. It's gonna come handy. I also got a few wood panels. I recently made a portrait of Madonna. It's pretty cool. And I used this wood panel. It's very interesting to work with oil pastel on wood. I like that it's a sturdy surface. I like that it's a thick border, so you don't need to frame it. The only thing I do with this is that I put some gesso on it to get a nice white surface and to seal it so that the colors don't change over time. All you gotta do with gesso is to put a few coats, as many as you want, and to just sand it down to get rid of the texture. So I got a few of these and I got a refill of a gesso because I use it so much. I got a couple new oil pastel sets to review for you and to test out. My very favorite is this one. I recently reviewed the 12-piece set and I loved it so much that I decided to buy the 48-piece set. It's gorgeous. I'm really glad I have it. Because I already reviewed the brand, I wasn't gonna do a full review of this 48-piece set, but if you want me to do a quick 48 swatches of this because you want to know what it looks like, I could totally do that, and it would be like a 60-second video, but it might be interesting. Let me know down below. I got two cheap sets. The Staedtler 24-piece set. I plan on making a review of this very soon, so look out for it. The other one that I got was a brand I never heard of before. It's called Sargent Arts. It's a 25-piece set. I plan to try them out as well and review them. I don't have high hopes for this because it was really not expensive, but who knows, sometimes brands really surprise you and cheap things end up performing pretty well, so we'll see. The very last thing and the most exciting thing for me is this. Oh my God. It's the giant jumbo Cinelli oil pastel, not to be confused with the oil paint sticks. This is really oil pastel in giant form. It's so beautiful. I don't know why, the fact that it's oversized is really exciting to me. So I got a couple yellows, a couple grays, and a white. These are super expensive. They're $14 each stick. Call me crazy. I bought these for a specific large-scale project that I have in mind, and you'll probably see it in the next few weeks. So I have high hopes. So that's all I got, but let me know if there's anything specific that you saw in the oil pastel world that you'd like me to review. I would be totally up for it. Hope this inspired you. It's always fun to have new toys to play with, right? And if you want more inspiration, you can subscribe, hit the bell, and watch this next.